Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's video is going to be dedicated to skincare and how basically a solid skincare routine is so crucial to an amazing makeup look. I am all about moisturization and glow and consistency, and you guys know that I really love a glowy dewy look. I think it just looks youthful and healthy and radiant, so I'm going to be showing you how to achieve that in a natural way today. Before we go any further though, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel, and if you don't want to miss anything here, hit the little bell next to the subscribe button so that you are always up to date on my stuff. All right, let's talk glowy fabulous skin. So for today's video, I am partnering up with Burt's Bees. It's such an effective brand. I really like it. I'm a longtime supporter of the brand. So the Truly Glowing line is a natural skincare line that really boosts your skin's moisture and hydration both above the surface and below. They've also released a new squeezy tinted lip balm called Summer Melon, which is my jam. Gives you just a light, beautiful tint of natural color. It's summer in a tube for me. You're gonna want to try this out. So for this video, I'll be giving you guys a peek into my morning skincare routine using the Truly Glowing line. This face care line is 98.9 to 100% natural origin. And some of the formulas in this collection have naturally derived hyaluronic acid and Burt's Bees Hydrate and Glow Complex, which is a skin familiar blend of proteins, humectants, and oils that will quench, nourish, and protect your skin. With consistent use, your skin will look so healthy it glows. And frankly, what I love the most about this line is that it's been developed with dermatologists. That means a lot to me for it to be science-based and backed and frankly, truly effective. So for my morning skincare routine, the products that I've been using are the Truly Glowing Gel Cleanser, the Truly Glowing Gel Cream, the Truly Glowing Eye Gel Cream, the Truly Glowing Glow Booster, which is full of antioxidant-rich oils. Love this one. And lastly, the lip care products, the Squeezy Tinted Balm in Summer Melon, and this Gloss and Glow Glossy Balm. I will get to this. It is lovely. All right, guys, let's get into my morning skincare routine. So what I love about that cleanser is that it leaves your skin feeling refreshed. It resets your skin as well. My skin doesn't feel dry or stripped either. All right, now we're going to moisturize, and I'm going to use a little bit of the Burt's Bees Truly Glowing Gel Cream. I really like this because it does a fantastic job of moisturizing my skin and boosting the hydration. So far, it's working beautifully, really gives me that glow, that dewy glow that you guys know I love. So this gel cream replenishes skin with the Illuminating Hydrate and Glow Complex. It's also formulated with responsibly sourced jojoba oil from a kibbutz in Israel. That's amazing. It contains 99% natural origin ingredients with nutrient-rich botanicals. And personally, I love the glass jar. I think that's a nice touch. Both the glass jar and the lid are totally recyclable. Okay, let's see how this is going to illuminate my skin. It's a pretty lovely light product, but it does a really great job at moisturizing your skin, which is so great right now because it's so dry outside due to the freezing cold temperatures. This feels so good. It's so refreshing and it reflects light. So it really does make you look glowy and radiant and beautiful. Look at that difference. And guys, when I apply my cream, I'm really gentle. I'm intentional with my application. I don't like to rush through it because it's a part of my self-care every single day. And I want to make sure that the product is evenly applied to skin. So, enjoy it. Savor your skincare routine, both in the morning and at night. I tell you, it does wonders for the soul. All right, now it's time to take care of the eyes, and I'm going to apply a little of the Burt's Bees Truly Glowing Eye Gel Cream. I really do love myself a light eye cream for day. I don't want anything interfering with my makeup, and I most certainly don't want anything traveling into my eyes, causing any discomfort whatsoever. And I love that this stays put and just boost the moisture, hydration, and glowy look of my eyes, because I will tell you guys, I have some dry, dehydrated skin around the eye area, and it's just, it can really make me look tired and worn out. And as much as, you know, I don't want to erase all fine lines and wrinkles, I think that really gives the face some character. I don't want to accentuate them either, like that tends to happen in the winter. So this light gel cream boosts the moisture both above and below the skin surface. I love an eye cream that penetrates really well. It also comes in an airless pump bottle. That's really, really nice. So you don't have to worry about anything nasty getting into the bottle and changing the formulation of the product. This is also made with 98.9% natural origin ingredients with nutrient-rich botanicals as well. That's pretty important to me. And I just want to show you the consistency of this eye gel cream. So there you can see it's really lovely and light. A little goes a long way. So the Truly Glowing Eye Gel Cream is also made with the Hydrate and Glow Complex, which is a mix of those proteins, humectants, and oil, which will really give the eye area a really nice boost in glow and radiance. So I always apply my eye cream with my ring finger. It has the least pressure, so you're not pulling and tugging on the delicate skin around your eyes. See how light that is? It has a really beautiful slip too. It's really comfortable to apply. I like to go up into the brow bone and tap a little lightly onto the eyelid, but not getting too close to the eye. There we go. And if you like a little eye massage, you can rub a little into the tips of your fingers and just press lightly into the orbital bone. So I do this at night because it just feels really, really nice. It's also nice in the morning. I feel it helps with, you know, just a little drainage under the eyes and depuffing. So this line by Burt's Bees also includes the Truly Glowing Glow Booster. This totally amps up your hydration and glow with antioxidant-rich oils. I love a great face oil. I also love that this contains squalane derived from sugarcane and bakuchiol. I'm so sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. Anyways, bakuchiol, I'm going to spell it here for you guys, is a natural retinol alternative. I love that. What I love about this natural retinol alternative is it seems a bit more gentle. I don't get any of the redness or irritation or flakiness that, you know, comes with a lot of retinols. This is quite gentle. Guys, we are already so glowed up. I love this. Okay, wait till you see the glow booster. So you just give the top a little pump. There we go. All of these products smell really great too. They all have a light and refreshing smell. So you see, I've got a little bit in the dropper. Here we go. I'm rubbing it in and just applying gently to my face. Oh, look at that. You can smell the jojoba oil. It's just lovely. This is really light. It's not heavy at all. Just gonna put a little around the orbital bone. I love that. That is such a nice glow. Don't waste. Okay guys, that was a glimpse into my morning skincare routine. Look at this glow. Look at this radiance. Burt's Bees really came through. I am just thrilled with this. For January, I really put a focus on self-care and being consistent with my skincare routine, and it's really paid off. I've been eating healthier, and I've also almost completed Drynuary. No alcohol whatsoever this month, and it is showing in my skin. I mean, I am so happy. These products work. Like, I am really enjoying the boost in moisture and hydration, and I feel like I'm glowing from within. So I feel like all of these healthy changes that I've made to my daily routines have really shown through my skin. I am just so grateful for the boost in hydration and moisture and overall radiance. This is stellar. So I put on minimal makeup. I just put on a little powder foundation, cream blush, did my eyebrows, put on a little sparkly eyeshadow, really liking the look. And now for lips. So what I'm showing you guys right here is the Burt's Bees Gloss and Glow Glossy Balm. So this color is 940 Wine Wednesday, the only wine I'm getting these days. So it's a true beautiful semi-sheer lip color. So these glossy balms are infused with mango butter and coconut oil, and they're 100% natural origin. This is great for those who are seeking out natural lip care. It has a light, fresh floral scent, which is really lovely. It's not overpowering whatsoever. It's formulated with responsibly sourced oils. I think that's really important. And the pink tube is created with 17% post-consumer recycled plastic. So well done, Burt's Bees. Okay, let's check out this color on. Wine. So I have one other Burt's Bees lip color that I want to show you. This is the Squeezy Tinted Balm in Summer Melon. It just dropped in January. It smells so, so good, and it makes me think of summer, which is so great in my book. It is so cold outside. So it provides moisturization all day, and it gives lips a soft tint, a really soft color, and it's so glossy. It's so good. Those of you who really like natural shades are going to want to run and pick this up because it's just the most lovely semi-sheer kind of pinky fabulousness. Guys, how good is this color? I just love anything super glossy for winter because it's just that much more hydrating and it looks fresh and summery. So guys, I hope you liked this video and you learned a little something about how to boost your skin's moisture and hydration both above and below the skin surface. I've been using these products for the past few weeks to really great results. My skin is just glowy, hydrated, moisturized. I'm just really, really happy with these results. If you haven't tried Burt's Bees yet, what are you waiting for? They're widely available and they just offer some really, really solid products that, you know, really boost both your skincare routine and your makeup routine. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I will endeavor to answer as best as I can. And also let me know what your favorite Burt's Bees products are. I would love to know. I would love to try them out myself if I haven't tried them already. I love you guys. Thank you so much for your support. If you haven't already, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. You can find me on Instagram too. I'm at Dominique.Baker. I'm on TikTok too at Dominique Baker Official. And of course, my blog, StyleDomination.com. I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to stay warm, get out and enjoy the sun as well. Bundle up. Love you guys. See you in the next video.